Hey everyone. Welcome to CodeTechAxis. I'm thrilled to introduce you to my new YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be posting content about web development, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Reactjs, Nextjs, Nodejs, and much more. I'll also cover the latest tech news and updates to keep you informed about what's happening in the tech world. You can expect tutorials, coding challenges, project walkthroughs, and tips that will help you become a better developer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, this channel is for you. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.